It's the $3.49 King Meal Deal. Get 2 sandwiches, fries, and a drink for $3.49. Get 2 cheeseburgers or 2 chicken juniors, or 1 of each for just $3.49. Or
A civil authority has issued a nuclear power plant warning for the following counties or areas: Cook, Ill, Doppage, Ill, McHenry, Ill, Kane, Ill, Winnebago, Ill, Adams, Dane, Milwaukee, Marion, Sullivan, Will, Ill, Lake, at 3:02 p.m. on November 29, 2018, effective until 7:58 p.m. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Illinois Emergency Management. A mandatory evacuation has been issued for residents 75 miles from the Braidwood Nuclear Generating Station. At 2:57 p.m. Central Time, a catastrophic failure was reported on all reactors. This is not a test. Mandatory evacuation procedures are as follows. Turn off all lights, vents, faucets, air ventilation, fans. Close all windows and doors. Gather all persons in your home. Do not try to pick up children or your relatives in schools, hospitals, or nursing homes, as these facilities have their own evacuation procedures. Pack baby food, medications, medicine. Take at least 2 pairs of clothing per person, extra shoes per person, and blankets or sleeping bags per person. Proceed to a place 75 miles from the Braidwood Nuclear Generating Station now. Counterflow has been enabled. Drive safely, and most importantly, stay alive.